To fix the QuickBooks Accounting app, start by opening the App Store, searching for QuickBooks Accounting, and ensuring the app is updated to its latest version, as this is crucial for the app to function properly. If an update is available, it will be indicated instead of the Open option. Check if the issue is resolved after updating. If the problem persists, launch the Settings application. Tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find the QuickBooks Accounting app, and tap on it. Select the Offload App option, which will clear the app's cache, free up storage, and potentially fix bugs. If the issue remains, try deleting the app completely by going to the home screen, tapping and holding on the QuickBooks Accounting app, and selecting the Remove App option. Once deleted, open the App Store, search for QuickBooks Accounting, and reinstall the app. Wait for the download to complete. Launch the application, and it should be working properly. By following these steps, the QuickBooks Accounting app should be fixed and functioning as expected.